That's what the upcoming DJI Neo 2 promises. Far beyond a mere incremental update, this next-gen aerial marvel is widely believed to herald a new chapter in drone photography and cinematography. As the tech world hums with speculation, what follows is a richly spun narrative exploring why, and how, this drone could redefine the airborne creative landscape. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Let's start with the heart of any cinematic drone, the camera system. The DJI Neo 2 is rumored to sport a class-leading 1 CMOS sensor delivering jaw-dropping 20-megapixel stills. Ultra-high-resolution aerial imaging, sensor-driven color precision, low-light clarity mastery. The larger sensor format promises significantly richer detail, immersive dynamic range, and stellar color accuracy, even when the golden hour fades to dusk. Think of capturing twilight hues and soft ambient shadows with cinema-grade fidelity. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. It's also teased to record 5.4K footage at 60 frames per second. That's smooth as butter, a stepping stone for pro-level slow-mo sequences, ultra-sharp pans, and sprawling landscape vistas. Pro-cinema frame rates, Ultra 4K 60 aerial footage, high FPS cinematic storytelling. To top it off, Whispers hint at an adjustable aperture, a feature that grants you granular control over exposure and depth of field, and 10-bit D-Log color profiles. That means up to 1 billion color tones for precise grading in post-production. In practical terms, vivid sunsets, deep shadows, shifted light, and impeccably balanced highlights, all ripe for creative manipulation. Powerful tech is nothing without intuitive control. DJI is rumored to be launching the Neo 2 with a redesigned remote controller, poised to be as sleek as the drone itself. Built-in glossy touchscreen eliminates the need for tethering a smartphone. Sleeker ergonomic grips, intuitive programmable shortcuts, and extended battery life pave the way for fatigue-free missions. Imagine a 3-hour aerial session without swapping batteries, seamless toggling between flight modes, and log-time filming, all while your hands stay comfortable and connected. Whispers within the industry suggest DJI might price the Neo 2 between $1,200 and $1,500. That range positions it above the entry-level Mini 4 Pro, but comfortably below the flagship-grade Mavic 3. It's the sweet spot for ambitious creators who crave advanced specs, without splurging on top-tier professional equipment. This pricing strategy could help DJI dominate the mid-premium segment, targeting travel photographers, indie filmmakers, content creators, and vloggers, all wanting highest-level features in a compact, affordable package. DJI has always excelled in aerial control, but Neo 2 seems ready to raise the bar. A newly engineered propulsion system, potentially pushing speeds up to 60 miles per hour, would make it among the fastest and most agile drones in its class. Add to that a promise of approaching 40 minutes flight time per battery, and you're looking at one of the go-to workhorses for long-duration shoots. Long-distance perches become practical. Scenic sweeps, extended urban fly-throughs, or tracking shots over open fields, all now feasible without battery compromise. No weak link between pilot and platform. Neo 2 is rumored to carry OcuSync 4.0, DJI's foremost zero-latency,